And let the party begin. Everybody's just pulling up. Look at this crowd. Back up a little bit. That's good. And a lot more coming out. All right, time to get out.
Smooth weed, I tell the jokes, get high in all of them. Say she tired of the key like two slime on a dev wash. Modest life, living us in a sign on a heavy mud. Coffee, you forgotten all your time on a city. Oh, man, a dog, if you know where I live, I'm a bone, I'm a heart.
I always remember that slow money is better than no money. What I'm saying, yo. No, I rap to that. Yeah, strike forces or something. Yo. I some respect for the sea.
Y'all looking for a diffuser or spoiler like that? You can get it from High Rev. Look at that. Great quality. Discount code is going to be just in the description below for that. But yep, check this out. Super nice out. The weather's great. Look at this white with the green wheels. This guy broke his lip because he was driving super low. Super low. And I say super low, this was literally his driving height. And yeah, that second lip got broken, but the Yofer's is still on there. What that means? Buy Yofer's lip. Look at these wheels. These wheels are just phenomenal. Trying to get a lot of flick from the far side. Sits right on top of it. Got the Akasaka diffuser in the back, V3 taillights, carbon fiber cover on the H emblem. Looks good overall. Plus this new iPhone 13 Pro Max makes look things good too. Look, I feel like everybody's almost having the diffuser now. This one right here. There's like 3 of them on the other side. That's 5 in total. I think that's still the T10, that's fine. You guys wanted a video on a car meet? There we have it, finally hosting one in New York, of course, in Long Island, and more people are pulling up. These guys just showed up early, so more people are pulling up. Yes. Comment below what you guys think, what your favorite one is. Questions or anything, you can DM me on my Instagram, redlinemods.official, or anything else. Comment below. But that Accord right there, got the Lexus headlights, some nice lighting by the fog light area. It looks pretty cool. Right here. And people ask questions on what is this in the front. That's the overlay on the grill from Oakland Design. Same thing with the headlight, Oakland Design. Just like that. They reflect at night, of course. Let's get closer over there. Make sure you guys follow these two right here. They're about to be somebody in the future. What's up, guys? Yeah, you guys know him on the channel. Most of you do. What's the channel name? Yeah, just tell them.
No, we don't do the record anymore though.
You don't do it?
We finished the record.
You finished it? What do you do now?
I do YouTube more.
Shit. Alright, you guys still got me. What are you doing?
Yeah, I do everything.
Photography? Nothing in New York?
I have my white body. I take car pictures. I'm about to drop a site very soon, only so.
Oh, they're here.
Check it out if you need it.
Alright, well, what's your IG?
Only so.
Only slow?
Literally, only
Alright,
slow.
cool. Yeah, the S2000. Yo, Jay.
She could charge you more than your pussy make you best. You know by your then that's a big deal.
Them in a yard, plug and let them a tone from here. Eggshell, fully grown extension. Eggshell, once full again. Shell. Why them a bad when I'm gonna build them? Pop. Roll we give them a visit on the asphalt, yeah. Roll we give them a ready to give a call. ESK on the dance hall.
It's sort of nighttime right now. Some of them got their underglows, the interior. Look at that. We got the new Accords that pulled in earlier. Oof. Look at this. Bro, you can't wipe it anymore.
What happened?
You can't wipe it anymore.
I can see the fucking judge. Red
What's up,
light,
bro?
right?
Yeah.
What's up?
Good, man. How
What's
are
up? I'm
you?
about to take over. What's up? I got a bullhorn for your ass.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you brought one?
I don't have anything now.
Come on, man.
What's your friend?
See what happens when you fuck with a Puerto Rican? Make your ass loud.
Oh, shit.
I
Dude.
think it's in here.
Damn.
Yeah, start speaking. Talk
Oh,
your shit. Yo, we got a red light in the building. Stop playing.
Yo, shit is loud, too.
Yeah, this shit is mad. It's Hempstead. This shit quiet.
Oh, shit. Damn. I expect it to be, like, more louder, you know?
Huh?
Hempstead's not quiet, is it?
Put the sirens for your ass.
Everybody, yo. That's so funny. That's a Beamer. Came with them. I got those red wheels on that one. You guys were thinking? You got a S2000. Yeah. Oh, there goes right there. Front. Wheels. Look at them. What you guys think about the wheels? What brand are they? STR. In case you guys want to search them up for yourself. Nice. Got a drone fly right over my head. I know, it's super low, bro. It's doing its own thing. It is. Boy's new rap.
We are bad from especially in the pocket, but I think says I'm out to the way and me and knock it. What's the face up in the ratchet on the post off my happy to the lane of the traffic.
This one? He's right there.
Another gun bad man, I hold the back of it. 4 days, music, garlic up the chopper kick. Missy man, I hold them just like on the grab a kick. Juvenile, bad bad.
30, but the rap is nice.
One strap back, and a one shot in a
Look at this one right there.
Son, him a the contract god. Jungle, in a grab and back. 40 a boss, mama jack back down. That can't if they make a contact card. Me don't tell you no a bad man bad. See the boy that, yo, one stop club. Me don't tell you say a bad man bad. 4-4 that a one man shot.
I got like 12 people pulling up together. It's crazy out here. Everybody pulling up. Oh, well, that's me. Look at this. The interior on this thing is nice. Got starlights and shit. Let me see if it's open.
Now a straight headshot, heads up your bad man.
Oh.
We run through some gruesome trenches. Juvenile head trip. The rest them in the S10 clip. And press them in your best friend lip. The 15 make me chest well fit. That fit me like the best velvet. Half clip as to make a statement. The next half as to make exit. Them say nobody never say the shooter. But the pilly want to wear a red helmet.
Yup.
Nice to finally meet you.
Hey.
Joker.
I like what you bring with you. Easy, nice to meet you, brother. Yeah. Yo, we're getting hungry. I'm about to go eat something at Burger City.
47.
You counted it? So far, we got 47 cars right now. We're waiting on more. They're on their way. Alright fam, that's it. Some people left and we're gonna be out soon. Comment below what you guys thought about this meet, and if you guys saw some setups you like, comment below. Ask questions, feel free to do. And yeah, that's that. Peace out fam. See you until next time.